Class 4 GK. Okay, let's start. So previous day we have done the first chapter. Today we'll do the second chapter. What is the second chapter? Body facts. What is the second chapter? Body facts. Now see. Today's date is 29/4. So body facts. Do you know these facts about your body? Observe the images. Okay, now you have to observe the images carefully. These are the images you have to see carefully. Match each picture with the correct word. You have to match each picture with the correct word. You have to do matching. Now take your pencils and write. Okay, all of you take your pencils and write. Number 1 is what? Vocal cord. What is number 1? The first one is vocal cord, and the right answer is 9. Which is 9, you see. This is number 9. See. This is the vocal cord. Now what is vocal cord? Do you know what is vocal cord? Vocal cord, this muscle vibrates to produce voice. Why? How you're talking, we are making sound, we are making voices. How? Because of this vocal cord. The muscles of the vocal cord, they vibrate and a sound or voice comes out. Okay, these muscles vibrate and they produce sound. That is called vocal cord. Sorry. Clear? Now next is funny bones. Funny bones, you write 2. This is funny bones. Match funny bones, and in this place you write 2. Okay, funny bones. Now what do you mean by funny bones? This funny bone, okay, it got its name because of the funny feeling when you hit the bone. You hit your elbow bone, you will have a funny feeling. Okay, you will feel like laughing. Okay, so it is so, for this reason it has given, the name has been given funny bone. It is not actually a bone. It is not actually what? It is not actually a bone in the elbow. It is a nerve. See, have you seen the red color? See, this is the nerve in the elbow. This is not actually a bone. It is the nerve inside the elbow. This is known as funny bone. Okay. Now next is RBC. Short form is RBC. That is red blood corpuscle. You write here 3. This is RBC, red blood corpuscle. Now this is what? RBC. Now see, what is RBC? It carries, that is red cells, all red cells. These are all blood cells. Okay, now it carries oxygen from lungs to body through, okay, it carries, what this do, it RBC, it carries oxygen from lungs to body. It helps us to carry oxygen from lungs to body and throw carbon dioxide as a waste product, and it helps to throw out carbon dioxide which we produce as a waste product. It helps to take out carbon dioxide from our body. Now, hemoglobin is the protein inside RBC. In the RBC, what is the protein? Hemoglobin is the protein inside RBC. Olfactory nerves. Number 8, right? Number 8. Where is number 8? This one. Olfactory nerves. Okay, see. It's related with nose. Olfactory nerves. Olfactory nerves. Okay. Nerves related to smell. Because of this olfactory nerves, you can smell things. A good smell, bad smell, whatever the smell is, you can smell because of this olfactory nerves that is in the nose. You can smell. It helps to smell. Olfactory nerves. Okay. Olfactory nerves, number 8. Then tear duct. Tear duct, number 6. This one. From eyes, tears is dropping. So when you cry, tears come out from your eyes, isn't it? So how it comes out? Because of the tear duct. It drains tears through the nasal bones. Because of this nose bone, it helps us to, we have a nose bone. Here we have a nose bone. Because of the nose bone, it helps the tears to come out, drain out from the eyes. Okay, this is called tear duct, number 6. Now, enamel. 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 You have your teeth. Now this is number 10. Enamel will be 10. So this is enamel. See, number 10. Now, hard white covering of the tooth. This white teeth that you have, the hard teeth. Okay, white covering. The white covering on top of the teeth is known as the tooth. On top of this all tooth you have a white covering. This is called enamel. Okay. Now next is appendix. Appendix. Appendix number 1. This is appendix. See. Appendix. Now what is appendix? Now see. It is a small pouch. It is a small pouch like sac of tissues located in the lower right abdomen. Many tissues are there. It is like a small pouch. Inside the small pouch, many tissues are there. Can you see the tissues? Many tissues are here. and it is located, and it is in the right lower side of your stomach, abdomen, in the right lower side of your abdomen, that is stomach. It's called pouch of tissues, appendix. This is called appendix. Okay. Next is tonsils. Tonsils. Now tonsils will be number 7. These are tonsils, number 7. See. Can you see this? The side portion. This too. These are tonsils. This is located back of our throat. It helps to prevent body from getting infection. Okay. It is located. Where it is located, this tonsil? It is located back of our throat. You have a throat. Okay. Throat back side, it is located of our throat. It helps to prevent body from getting infection. These tonsils help us to prevent our body from getting infection. Okay, infection. Okay, it prevent. And tonsilite is a disease that happens in the tonsils. It swells. Okay, and it is a childhood disease. It swells. Your tonsil swells. You are not able to swallow food. You are not able to eat your food, swallow your food. Tonsilite is a disease. It occurs in the tonsils also. See, it happens in tonsils. Okay, and the disease name is tonsilite, and it is a childhood disease. When it happens, your tonsil swells and you are not able to eat or swallow food and drink anything. These are tonsils. Now next is tonsil is number 7. Diaphragm. Next is diaphragm. Diaphragm. Diaphragm number 4. Right, number 4, diaphragm. Now what is diaphragm? Where is diaphragm number 4? This one. This is diaphragm. See. This is diaphragm. Now the muscle between your lungs and stomach that help us to breathe. Here is a muscle. These two are lungs. There is a muscles inside this. Here is a muscle. The muscle between our lungs and stomach. Okay, here is a muscles. The muscles are here. This is stomach and lungs. Okay, the muscles between our lungs and stomach that help us to breathe. It helps us to breathe. There is a muscle between our lungs and stomach. Lungs and stomach, and this muscle help us to breathe. That is diaphragm. Diaphragm number 4. Diaphragm. Next is tastebuds. Right, number 5. Tastebuds. I think it's clear from the name, tastebuds, what it helps. Number 5. Where is number 5? See the tastebuds. See, here is one test, here is one test, here is one test, here is one test. Okay. Now this help us to. It is in the tongue. Taste bud is in the tongue. Okay, and it allow to test our food. These taste buds are in the tongue, and it allow us to test our food. What test? How will you understand the food is sweet, sour, bitter, or salty? It is all in the tongue. Tongues give us the feeling of all these things. Now see, here is bitter. It's written here. Clear. See nicely. It is written here bitter. See, it is written here what? Can you see? It is written here bitter. Properly see. Then sweet. This side is sweet. Then this side is salty. This part is salty. And this is sour. See. So inside is, this one is bitter feeling. It will give you bitter taste. This sweet taste. This side will give you salty taste, and this side will sour taste in the tongue. So all taste buds are in the tongue. Okay. Now all of you please write the answers here. Vocal cord 9, funny bones 2, RBC 3, olfactory nerves 8, tear duct 6, enamel 10, appendix 1, tonsil 7, diaphragm 4, and taste buds 5. Okay, clear? So this is the second chapter we have done. Okay, you see the pictures and you match it. Okay, for today this much. The second chapter we have finished today, second part. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.